Hello guys, and welcome back to another video on app hacks. Today we're going to be teaching you how you can disable or turn off your laptop keyboard. But before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on your notification bells to get notified every time we post a new video. Without further ado, let's get started. First, go ahead to your Windows icon that should probably appear on the bottom left corner of your screen. Go ahead and right click on it. After that, you'll be able to see the device manager option. Simply click on it. Now under device manager, you'll be able to see the keyboard option, which is a drop down. So if you click on it, you'll be able to see all these devices, keyboard devices that are connected to your laptop. So to disable your laptop's keyboard, go ahead and right click on it. You'll be able to see uninstall device option. So if you click on it, you'll be given this uninstall option. Simply click on it and then your laptop's keyboard will be disabled. However, you can still use external keyboards and you can still reinstall this driver into your PC so that you'll be able to use your laptop's keyboard again. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.